Good morning, student of class 8. Yesterday in my video I have discussed about the pressure due to solid, and today I am going to discuss about pressure due to fluids. Students, when we talk about fluids, it may be liquid and gas. Both are called fluid. Fluid exert pressure on the container that hold them and on the object immersed in them. So here we are going to understand that fluids also exert pressure, and the pressure exerted by fluid is called fluid pressure. The pressure on the walls of the container is due to the molecules of the fluid which are in constant motion hitting the walls, thereby applying a force over a unit area. So student, you can see in figure 11 point, inside this container some fluids are present, and the fluids molecule randomly moving and hitting the wall of the container. When we swim in a pool, we find that pressure acts on eardrums and pressure decreases as we go deeper into the pool. Similarly, as we go to higher altitude, say to a hill, the air pressure decreased, and the difference in pressure between the air molecules inside the head and outside makes our ears pop. So this pressure variation with the depth and height depends on the weight of the air or liquid column above the point. As we go deeper into the swimming pool, the weight of the water above us increases, which applies more force on the surface of our body. Thus, we can say pressure increasing as we go deeper into the water. The same can be said for the decreasing pressure as we go higher altitude. So the weight of the air column above us reduces, therefore the pressure decreases. So student, remember, fluids also exert pressure, and fluid may be air and fluid may be water. So if you go under water deeper and deeper, then you can see the weight of the water on our body increases, meaning is that the water pressure increases as you go deeper and deeper. Similarly, if you go at the high altitude, then the pressure is reduces. Let's discuss about the liquid pressure. Liquid pressure is the pressure exerted by a liquid on an object immersed in it and on the walls of the container. So some properties of liquid pressures are there. Number one property is that pressure exerted by liquid increases with depth from the liquid surface. Just now I have discussed that if you go the deep of the water, then you will get more pressure. The greater the depth, the greater the pressure. And another property of liquid pressure is pressure exerted by liquid is the same at the given depth. So this is very important property, that is the pressure exerted by the liquid is same at a given depth. That means if you go underwater, then whatever pressure exerting by liquid on your body, that pressure will be the same, because liquid exerted pressure same. And another pressure property, it is very important. Liquid exert pressure in all direction. This is like air pressure also. We have discussed that air exert pressure in all direction. Similarly, liquid also exert pressure in all direction. And we will discuss about this property by taking an activity. Now we will try to demonstrate that the pressure due to liquid varies with depth is the same at equal depth. To perform this activity, we require to collect 2 plastic bottles, 1 plastic tray and water. Procedure: at first we have to take a plastic bottle and make a small holes on the bottle at 3 different heights. So you can see in figure number A, there are 3 holes are there on this bottle. Now this bottle you place at the middle of the tray and fill with water. We observe that the force with which water flowed from the 3 holes. Step number 3. Now take another plastic bottle and make 3 holes on at the same level as shown. So you can see figure number B, the holes are at the same level, but in figure number A, the holes are at different height. And the second bottle also you fill by water and observe what happens. We will observe that the force with which water flows out increases as the depth of the hole from the water surface increases. Thus the water spouts out of the holes near the bottom with the greatest force because the pressure is maximum at this depth. The water gushes out from the 3 holes with the same force, which indicates that pressure is the same at equal depth. So student, you can see from the 3 holes, whatever liquids is coming out from the bottle, they are coming with the same force. So we can say the pressure is same at equal depth. But if you compare the upper hole and the down hole, then you can see from the down hole more water is coming out from the bottle, because as we know that water pressure increases along with the deep, that means depth. So since here there are 3 holes in the first bottle, so from the bottom hole whatever water will come, they will come more forcefully, and the upper one you can see the water is coming with less forcefully, means water pressure is more at depth. And here in figure number B you can see both the holes are at the same level, so from the both hole same forcefully water is coming out. So we can say at the same depth level liquid exerting same pressure.